inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Pearl and I'm a second year medico at AIMS Rishikesh, and this is a long vlog. So basically let me give you an idea कि इस vlog में आपको क्या दिखने वाला है. So this is a छुट्टी वाला दिन, क्योंकि हमारे कॉलेज में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है and for that reason 2 दिन की छुट्टी थी, and also I am anchoring in that conference का opening ceremony. So basically in this video you will be seeing me studying, cleaning, managing my time and also getting ready for that conference and everything. So basically end तक देखना, क्योंकि इसमें तुम्हें बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें पता चलेंगी जो कि मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में होती हैं, and this is going to be a fun vlog. I've also included a part of the cultural program of that event, so you will find it real fun. So let's begin. तो सुबह ही ना मेरा एक पार्सल आ गया था and I will be unboxing those parcels in this video, so watch it till the end. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. और उसके बाद I cleaned my room. थोड़ा सा बहुत मैसी हो रखा था बिकॉज एक दिन पहले ही मैं मसूरी से वापस आई थी. Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, मैं नहा ली हूँ. I have taken a shower and I've also put the clothes in laundry. तो धोने के लिए कपड़े रख दिए हैं, वो सूख जाएंगे क्योंकि आज मौसम अच्छा है, धूप निकल रही है थोड़ी बहुत. And now the plan for the day is that 12 बजे lunch start हो जाता है, so we will be going having the lunch. Then उसके बाद straight away to the library. We'll be studying for a good 3.5-4 hours. 4 बजे मैं लाइब्रेरी से वापस आऊँगी because we have to get ready for the शाम का इवेंट. नाउ हमारे कॉलेज में एक यूजी कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है बाय द नेम ऑफ आर्कस, एंड ये मेडिकल कॉन्फ्रेंस है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे आ रहे हैं बाहर से एंड बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स होंगी, तो उसका आज ओपनिंग सेरेमनी है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई इन ल्यू ऑफ आर्कस 2 दिन हमारा कॉलेज का ऑफ है. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव अ टेस्ट कमिंग अप ऑन 30th. फार्माकोलॉजी का टेस्ट है, बहुत कुछ याद करना है. एंड उसके बीच में काफ़ी सारी और चीज़ें आ रही हैं. सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ जस्ट फिनिशिंग इट अप लाइक एज़ क्विकली एज़ पॉसिबल एंड गिविंग इट एज़ मैनी रिविजन्स एज़ पॉसिबल. तो वो मुझे अभी जाके फार्माकोलॉजी बहुत अच्छे से रटनी है, अच्छे से पढ़नी है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी आर गोइंग लाइब्रेरी अभी, एंड फिर वापस आकर वी विल गेट रेडी फॉर द शाम का इवेंट. एंड देन येस, दैट्स इट. It will start at around 6, so I have to be there by 5:35. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. So it was almost 12 and I was packing my bag for the library. सबसे पहले I kept my chargers and this prep ladder notes of pharmacology, क्योंकि हमारा 30 को टेस्ट आने वाला है. So आज का प्लान था to study only pharma. I also kept this notebook which is again from prep ladder, and if you know I have been using it for writing my pharma के drugs जो मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं होते हैं. I kept my charger, my pencil case, my water bottle and everything. And if you guys have noticed, I got a new bag and a new water bottle. Basically these are from an offline store called Mr. DIY and I am loving them so far. Also I received these 2 parcels today from Amazon and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So let's open it and see what's inside. Firstly I'm opening this one. We are like really short of time, so I have to really do the unboxing real fast. Yes, this thing. So I ordered a pepper spray basically, which in lieu of these events which are going on is very important thing. ये बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ हो गई है. Like I was last few days I was so traumatized by all the incidents that were taking place. So this is really important. This is a must. So yeah, learn self-defense. It's very important. Anything like carry knives, carry scalpels, whatever with you. But to save ourselves is our responsibility now. No one else is going to save us. Oh God. This will be the oil that I ordered. I actually ordered a bottle of olive oil for my hair. So I'm gonna keep this in my bag right now. I'm gonna carry it everywhere I go. Like, I am hell scared, I admit. So, to be very honest, the last few days have been so traumatizing and disturbing, not just for me, but for almost every girl in this country. Every person with a sound mind today in this nation has just one simmering emotion, which is anger. And to be very honest, मुझे इस country से अब कुछ ज़्यादा confidence या उम्मीद भी नहीं है, because already so many days have passed and nothing has happened. हाँ, अगर एक strict punishment criminals को मिलता, then it would have been a different story. People would have thought a million times before committing such a crime, but ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ. The very fact that we have to protest for such a basic right to be delivered in itself is so infuriating. चलो इस बारे में इतना ही. So I went to the library after that. As I told you, आज का plan था to study pharmacology, at least complete one unit before getting ready for the event. So I started revising GIT. Now in my last video, I guess, or last to last, I told you that I was studying GIT from Dr. Ankit Kumar sir. उनके prep ladder पे 3 lectures थे जो तीनों मैंने एक दिन में देखे थे, and I had also annotated my prep ladder के notes ही. And the good part, I will say the best part about 6.0 edition notes यही है that you get ample amount of space to annotate. So I was reading side by side from the book and also annotating my notes. So after one study session, I tried switching my place. I'm a kind of person जो एक जगह पर continuously बैठकर नहीं पढ़ सकता है. It helps me be more productive and मैं बोर नहीं होती हूँ फिर एक जगह से. So if you're also someone like that, you should try switching your places every 2 to 3 hours. And then I revised the GIT फिर से दोबारा से with my handwritten notes only जो मैंने first time बनाए थे. And then came the most important thing, which is solving questions. Now I always say कि कोई भी preparation is just 50% until and unless you solve its questions. So then I solved questions from PrepLadder's QBank 6.0, and you know what is the best feature about this कि यहाँ पर सारे के सारे options के explanations मिल जाते हैं. So every time I do a question wrong, मुझे book या फिर notes खोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि ये explanations are just enough to remind you of the concept. उसके बाद I was confident कि चलो एक topic अच्छे से हो गया है, and now it was time to go back to hostel. Hey you all, so I am back from the library and we are now on a time crunch again. So I have to get ready for that, and we are wearing western formals today. And what I have decided is that this satin shirt with this long pencil skirt I'll be wearing. Let's see that how it looks, how it goes. I don't know, I don't have any idea. And ये भी मुझे बहुत सोच समझने के बाद ये combo मैंने बनाया है. So let's get ready. I have to do my hair also. I don't know what actually to do because my hair are literally not the formal type of hair, but we need to figure something out. So yeah, let's get ready. Now let me just do my favorite part. Let me introduce you and brief you guys about this event जिसके लिए मैं शाम को ready हो रही थी. So basically हमारे college में first time undergraduates के लिए medical conference organize हुआ है by the name of ARCUS, which stands for Annual Research Congress for Undergraduate Students, जहाँ पर ना कि सिर्फ हमारे college के पर बाहर के colleges के भी लोग आए थे. And it was whole lot of new different experience जहाँ पे बहुत सारी workshops, बहुत सारे रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट्स की डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन, डिबेट्स, क्विजेस, बहुत से इनफॉर्मल इवेंट्स हुए. सो इट वाज रियल फन एंड आई वाज डूइंग एंकरिंग इन दैट ओपनिंग सेरेमनी अलॉन्ग विद फ्यू अदर फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन. एंड नाउ आई हैव इंक्लूडेड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द हाईलाइट्स ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, कल्चरल प्रोग्राम, सो आप वो देख सकते हैं. सो जस्ट टू लेट यू नो गाइज कि व्हेन यू एंटर इनटू मेडिकल कॉलेजेस दीज थिंग्स आर प्रिटी कॉमन.
That is also one should focus attention on because so many things are happening.
From the veins, taking my message from the veins, speaking my blessing from the veins.
everybody. So basically I am back to my hostel room. अब मैंने माइक नहीं अटैच किया है, so maybe मेरी आवाज़ क्लियर नहीं आ रही होगी. So I am back in my hostel. I'm very very tired. अभी the first thing I have to do is clean my room a bit again, and then जो सुबह कपड़े धोने के लिए डाले थे उनको जाके निकालना है, and then सुखाने के लिए रखना है. And yeah, अभी इतना है. उसके बाद वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड इज़ कुकिंग समथिंग, और वो भी 1.5-2 घंटे तक बनेगा. सो आई हैव टू स्टे हंग्री टिल दैट टाइम, एंड आई विल ट्राई नॉट टू ईट एनीथिंग जंक. आई एम वेरी हंग्री बाय द वे अभी, बट वी हैव टू वेट. इन दैट टाइम वी विल बी डूइंग सम थिंग्स, विल बी स्टडिंग अ बिट, एंड आई विल शो यू व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सो या, स्टे ट्यून्ड. Let me clear this that I am not a professional in playing flute. So yeah, अगर कुछ ऊंच नीच हुआ है तो pardon me for that. Hello everybody. So I am done with my dinner कर लिया मैंने, and now I'm very very tired. अभी literally मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं है, मैं पढ़ नहीं सकती अभी. So I'm not going to study at all. I'm not going to do anything. अभी it's just time to relax and unwind. Before that, before I sleep, I'm going to read a book. Anyways, it's around 10, so अभी तो कोई सेंस नहीं है पढ़ने का. It's not going to go into my head. And this is the book that I am trying to read. This is known as The Greatest Works of Edgar Allan Poe. I didn't know of this author till yesterday. ये मुझे कल ही पता चला है. So yeah, I am reading this, and basically I was not reading this. I started another book, but then I thought कि ये short stories है, तो we can, you know, like try a new style of writing and reading with him. And it was being discussed in our book club a lot, so I thought if so many people are saying ये अच्छी होगी, so I'm reading a few of his stories and they're quite deep.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I think it's a wrap. I'll end this video here, and I hope that you enjoyed it a lot. Next long video is coming soon, and most probably it's my birthday vlog, so stay tuned for that and subscribe. Bye.